morning, Florrie and Casimir and dear dragon.
Hello, Splish Splash. We want to go to the Raspberry Jam Volcano.
Can you take us there?
With pleasure. Do you have a boat?
Right here in my thingamajiggy box.
Wonderful. Don't forget your life jackets. Now, close your eyes and imagine that my little leg is a big ocean. Here we go.
Look, dear dragon. Misty Shell Island.
The jam volcano must be close.
There it is, up ahead.
All right, Florrie, it's raspberry jam time.
Wait! What's happened to the jam?
It's gone all hard.
Maybe there's still some soft jam under the hard bit.
Ouchie! Blundering bubbles.
Maybe I can magic it open. Zephyrus, Maximus, Huff and Puff, Breeze and Gale and Squall and Stuff. Reverse! Undo! Stop! So that was the wind spell.
Jump, jump. Wallop, wallop. Thump, thump. Stomp, stomp.
It's starting to work.
But it's going to take ages.
You know, Florrie, I don't think that's the best way to go about this. Maybe the volcano doesn't like being stomped on.
Then what should we do?
I could always tickle it with tickly bubbles.
It's working.
But the crack's still not big enough to reach the jam. Oh.
Well, there is one more thing we could try. Dearest Raspberry Jam Volcano, please can you give us some of your jam?
Ah! Run!
Whee! Dear Dragon, are you all right?
I'm better than all right. I'm delicious.